Smart motion signature target users are the disabled and impaired person as long as they can create a movement or a motion. Smart motion signature possible local partners or collaborators are Smart Micro Wireless Home Broadband, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Social Welfare and Development, National Council on Disability Affairs, and Department of Health. The expected benefits for the community. Hindi ko alam paano masisimulan yan.
Expected benefits, community.
What is the expected benefits for the community? Having the ability to perform things the normal person does is really a gift to appreciate. It gives someone a sense of being. SMS or Smart Motion Signature will enable disabled or impaired. Smart SMS or the Smart Motion Signature will enable disabled or impaired person to use and control home appliances like TV, home lighting control, electric fan, or air conditioner.
Paki-silent na nga po yung mga phones natin.
Sige.
Wala kasi sisihin ka.
SMS or the Smart Motion Signature will enable disabled or impaired person to use and control home appliances like TV control, home lighting control, electric fan, or air condition temperature control. Kailangan to 3 minutes. Pag hindi, dadagdagan daw. Ano ba to?
7 minutes lang.
Ayan.